In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Drive and Google Photos with ease. Whether you're new to these platforms or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through some essential features to help you get the most out of your Google services. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed in, this is a good time to do so with your Google account credentials. You should now be welcomed by the Google Drive interface. Google Drive is a cloud storage service that allows you to store files online, making them accessible from any device with an internet connection. It's a handy tool for backup and collaboration, so getting familiar with it is highly beneficial. Next, you'll see a welcome message on your screen. Click on Welcome to Drive, which is typically a tour introduction. It's a great idea to review this if you're new, as it offers a quick overview of the key features available in Drive. Moving forward, there will be highlighted areas within the Drive interface. Focus on these highlighted sections as they usually represent essential features that Google recommends exploring. For instance, you might see options for creating new documents, spreadsheets, or slides directly from Drive. Make sure to click on these highlights, and you'll notice they often guide you through functions like organizing your files into folders, sharing documents with others, or setting permissions for collaboration. Once you're comfortable with using Google Drive, let's switch over to Google Photos. Head over to the Google Photos website. Like Google Drive, ensure you're signed in with your Google account. Google Photos is an excellent tool for storing, organizing, and sharing your photos and videos. This platform also features powerful search capabilities and photo editing tools. Directly on the Google Photos homepage, look for the Photos section and click on it. This section is where you'll find all the photos you've uploaded